guys, today I'm here with my friend Tim, and today we're trying to run away from our dogs. Oh my god, they're right there. That's my dog. That's my cousin's dog. None of them are his dogs.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Here, take this.
Yeah, I'll take his shoe because they're scared of that.
In case things get ugly.
Like zombie apocalypse just with dogs.
Alright. So if you run, they chase you, apparently.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can.
Hey! He's right there. I don't need this.
Stay.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, I need the volume up.
That's good. You gotta get that.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa.
Give me that.
Take the camera.
Alright, I think they're done. Nope, they're not. I'm gonna make them. Hey, you! You! It's not working.
Huh?
I don't know why. I'm just gonna toss these.
Let's go. Let's go.
Shoot. Stay away! Alright, the most lethal is Panda. Taz just runs around. Oh! He landed on his feet. Oh, shoot. Taz, do something. Alright, let's see how Panda likes the phone. It's getting violent. Hey Panda, what's this? Hey Panda, seen this before? Hey Panda. Hey. Hey, don't lick it. This is not a licking thing.
He didn't get scared.
Ah!
Bite in my hand now.
Oh, shoot.
I'm a bad dog.
Taz, shush.
You gonna play tag? You're it. You're it. I said
You
you're
better
it.
not buy my
I
finger.
said, you're it. I said you're it. He's it.
This is where it comes to dog abuse. Every like on this video, one dog will be saved, including that one. Alright, fight, fight. Nope, no. Wait, just wait. Shh. Gotta be silent. Eventually, they're gonna break out.
Eventually, they're both boys.
They're gonna break out. Ready? Just wait for it. They're gonna. What are they doing?
Watch.
They're gonna. Alright, Panda. Come on, keep provoking them, Taz. You're doing great. There we go. Come on. Yeah.
Panda's
Come
so
on.
cool.
Whoa!
Hold on. You wanna play? Let's play. Come on, I can go one-on-one match with you. I'm old grandma. I'm old grandma.
For every like on this video, one human will be saved by dogs. Dogs. They will attack you at all chances. You may die or get diseases from dogs. That's why we all should get cats. Right, Taz? Taz.
Caution.
Shh.
Don't do this with dogs.
Shh. Shh. He's scared of me.
See,
I'm
my
too.
dog is the most dangerous.
Trip. Alright. Oh, RKO. There.
That was a suplex. WWE. Comment down below if you want to see WWE with dogs. It's gonna be the most dangerous. Like this. Look, watch. Panda.
RKO. He almost got him.
Submission hold.
Oh, the skills! He's innocent. Save the dogs.
I got too tired.
I think he's gonna have diabetics after this.
Ah!
For every like on this video, you will save one cripple.
Huh?
Because apparently people get crippled by dogs, especially that one. Look at him. He's beginning to cripple. Save your children from dogs. Buy cats. There's so much well, actually, buy cats if you want. Just do
Or
it.
hamsters.
No, hamsters are born.
How about bunnies?
No.
How
Just buy a
about
cat.
elk?
I don't think that's legal.
A seal?
That's not legal.
A gorilla? A
You tear
tiger?
off your face.
A tiger?
No, legal. Not legal.
A wiener dog?
Sure, buy a wiener. No,
That's
that's
a
still a
Pomeranian.
dog.
That's
Do not buy.
Pomeranian.
Really?
Yeah.
Really, Panda? No, you just peed from the camera.
No.
Way to disrespect this camera.
I got your leg. Ow! Watch. Panda? I thought you were going circles.
Oh, there they go. Go. Do it. Come on.
Fight!
Shh, you're drunk. Really? You drew the attention. Hey, you. Here, let's see. Come here.
I run really slow so he can get me, but I can do tricks.
Oh, the jukes. You totally juked out. Stop. Focus. There you go.
Caution, don't let your kids attack you. Don't let your dogs attack your kids. For now, me and him are gonna be pranksters.
We are?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
We're gonna
totally.
be-
We're gonna be
Pranksters, dangerous kids.
pranksters. What? Say that
Dangerous
again.
kids.
Ah, very dangerous. We're
And
gonna,
we're gonna
break
do-
the law. Hopefully
And we're
not.
gonna do some dangerous activities.
We probably aren't.
Maybe.
Let's just say it anyway.
Yeah. The other time, my cousin recorded him on that thing where you swing on. He was trying to do a flip. Instead, he hit the rocks.
That sounds fun.
Oh my god.
You know, let's just make a whole video on that and play it in slow motion like 5 times. Like this video, and I'll do that. I'll fall on the ground in
like this
slow
so
motion.
much.
It's gonna be so awesome.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be awesome. What are you doing? This thing's been 8 minutes.
It has?
Yeah, it's already. All right. Say goodbye. Say bye. Haha. All right, he waved. No special exit thing. All
Alright, fine. I'll do a special exit.
right, ready? Don't hit my blade.
Yeah, then put that away because I don't want to get it and get.
But you're manly, bro.
Sorry.
It's time to stop.
Watch this.
Get some help.
Watch this. Move, Panda. I'm gonna hurt you.
All right, and you know, I'm just gonna end it. I'm sure everyone just disliked this video, but that's okay. We learn from our lessons. If you like this video, I will give you free lessons on.
We'll give you free fidget spinners.
That's a horrible idea. Fidget spinners are taking over the world. Every like on this video equals 1 free milkshake from Chick-fil-A, sponsored by me.
And a gift card for Chick-fil-A.
And a gift. Ow! It's so deafening. If you were here, you probably turn the volume down like so much, but it's very loud. Shh. It's time to go to sleep.
All right, now.
All right. Bye. Whee!